Good evening, students. In this lecture I want to explain about rating of distribution substation. So I also given some video lectures about substation, introduction of substation, different types of substation, difference between indoor and outdoor substation, classification of substation. Already I have given in last videos. Now in this video I want to explain about, I would like to explain about rating of distribution substation. That is the main topic. So in this topic we will learn about square shaped, that means rating of square shaped distribution service area and rating of hexagonal shaped distribution substation service area, and service area with rating of service area with n number of primary feeders. Here feeders are, number of feeders are 4, and here 6, and here n number of primary. We don't know the number of feeders which from the substation. Okay, so n number of primary feeders we let us assume. So these three derivations are we have to do in this part. First we go for square shaped service area. Square shaped service area. So rating of square shaped service area. You have to calculate. Okay. So first this is the substation. We can run a radial feeders from substation, 4 radial feeders. This is 1, this is, for example, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. Now I am considering at first one feeder. Okay, one feeder. First we calculate the area served by the square shaped. We have to calculate and then calculate for total feeders from the substation. Okay, so into 4 feeders are square shaped, means 4 area feeder. Okay, so here let us assume primary feeder having length. So primary feeder having from the substation, this is the feeder. Okay, now we have to calculate the area of this area served by this feeder. Okay, so area, just I will take this shape as here. Okay, this is theta. Let us assume this is theta. Those are distributed non-uniformly. Okay, this is what is it? This is the length. Length is L4 H. We don't know the value of H. Okay, so now we have to calculate the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle equal to half BH. Okay, so half base, you know the base is L4. Okay, what about height? We don't know. So let us assume this is a x. So how can you calculate this x? From this tan theta equal to how much? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side means, let us assume this is x. This is x. Okay. And this is y. Let us assume this is y. This is x. So opposite is x. Opposite side is x, and adjacent side is this one. Right? L4. So tan theta equal to x by L4. Then x equal to how much? L4 tan theta. So x equal to L4 tan theta. This is also x. Okay. So x plus x 2x. That means h equal to 2L4 tan theta. This is L4 tan theta, and this is also L4 tan theta. So L4 tan theta plus L4 tan theta to L4 tan theta. Now substitute instead of h, let us say this is H. How much? Of L4, base means L4, L4 this is the base of the triangle. Height, instead of height how much? 2 L4 tan theta, 2 L4 tan theta. So 2 get cancelled, L4 into L4, L4 square tan theta. Now calculate theta value. How much theta value? So total angle in this square is equal to how much? 360 degrees. So this can be occupied by 90 degrees. Okay, bisect by how much angle of this triangle here? 90 degrees. So theta means half of this value. Theta means half of this value. That means 90 by 2. That is 45 degrees. Substitute the L4 tan instead of theta 45 degrees. Tan 45 equal to 1. Am I right? Tan 45 equal to 1. So L4 square into tan 45 1. That is. So this is the area of the sphere. అంతేగాని లెంత్ టు బ్రెత్ ని ఇది లెంత్ ఓకే ఇది లెంత్ ఇది బ్రెత్ కింద తీసుకొని L4 into L4 స్క్వేర్ ఇది కాదండి. Definitely you have to show this this derivation part in the examination. Okay, so this is the area served by one feeder. Now we want to calculate total area. TA4 is equal to 4 into L4 square. Okay, so each feeder can served by the area served by each feeder is L4 square, and total area of the square area of the distribution substation can be served by 4 into L4 square. Okay, now we have to calculate voltage drop calculation. Voltage drop calculation. Okay, we know the voltage drop for voltage drop for non-uniformly distributed. It seems to be non-uniformly distributed load. The value equation is voltage drop of non-uniform load. Equation is unit 3, 2 by 3 L into I into Z. Okay, so voltage drop in terms of KVA load is in terms of current into impedance. Okay, now KVA served by, and that is load served by each feeder is equal to how much? That is 2/3. Okay, L4 means L4. Here instead of this you can have K into S4. But we know S4 is, that is load. Load is equal to A4 into D, area into density. Now substitute this value in S4. That is 2/3 L4 K into A4 into D. But we know A4 is nothing but L4 square. 2/3 L4 cube into D into K. So this is the voltage drop of a square shaped area. This is the voltage drop of a square shaped area. This is 2/3 L4 cube into K into D into K. D into K. Okay, so this is the voltage drop of a square shaped service area.